Hey home. Yesterday I was working on a bit of cleaning up also the repository. Play project. Under Play project, we have all the projects that we've been working on. So from that dot, Play editor, smart contract codes, Wizard Amigos that are not even mentioned here yet, and all of this was smashed in this play project thing. So what I did was to make its own repository organization .org. So that dot organization, and I moved some of the repos over already. So for example, that .ui, blah blah blah, and maybe if I continue here, that .ui is also not just a repo, but it's its own organization. So if we click here, we also get to the dot organization where all the UI elements are. So Play project is having a dot organization repo linking to the actual dot organization. In the dot organization, we have like Rust node repo, I don't know, this application repo. Some of the stuff I moved over, some of the stuff is still here. When we decide to do another round of cleanup of all these multiple wallet repos and stuff like that, we can move them over to the dot organization. But so far, just these. And then that .ui is just a repo that links to the .ui organization where all the elements live. Okay. Apart from that, we have Wizard Amigos organization, and we have also I made a smart contract codes organization for all the repos related to the work on smart contract codes, and also Play editor. So now, if we look at the Play project repo organization, we have three main repos pinned, and these are all basically links to these organizations. Sadly, GitHub doesn't have a way to make a sub organization, so this is how we do it. So these are basically links forward to the organizations. So this has been organizational cleanup, so it's a little bit more clear. And I would like to, of course, see all the .org stuff here, but we have to do this in phases. So at least we have that .ui organization. Before this was called .org, and it was like super confusing. So now the UI is its own organization. So I continue now with with work on this organization, with making these elements work to set up the right to dos, and yeah, I'll see how and what will be the first steps, but I'll do the summary tomorrow, and we'll see.